clean up, baby.
Yeah. House tour.
If you clean up, then I'll let you.
Oh, I'm doing it right now.
No.
This is the last day house tour in Bangkok. I'm a little bit sick. Apologies for that. But I want to give you a quick tour of this room. Pretty standard hotel room. Quite large. There's a king size bed right here. We've got some lamps and tableside desks, perfect for putting your goodies down there. You have quick access to the light switches here, so you don't have to get out of bed to turn on the lights. Over here, you have a little mini closet and a little mini fridge. Some great things about this place at the Vince Hotel is they provide you water bottles every single day. So you don't need to necessarily go get more water, but you just gotta make sure that you contact the cleaning lady service to get your water. Also, these snacks right here are fantastic. I'm pretty sure I could eat at least 20 of them, but there's only limited quantity, so I need to savor it. TV right here, and then going over here, we see we have a mirror that we can use to see how we dress. Inside the bathroom, nice clean bathroom, sink, mirror, toilet, and of course your shower. And one other neat little thing is that there's a little clothesline here in case you need to hang anything. All you need to do is unhook it and then reel it back in and then hook it here, and yeah, it's perfect if you need to dry your clothes on the quick. All right, that is the house tour or hotel tour of the Vince Hotel in Bangkok. See you in the next one.